Energy. Hit Music Only.
Okay, Justin Bieber kann in weniger als 2 Minuten einen Zauberwürfel lösen. Ich habe da keine Ahnung von, but Justin, you can solve this cube.
So. I hope so. You want me to try?
Let's try.
Okay.
Up to now. Yeah, looks okay.
Looks alright, right?
Is there a trick when you do it?
A little bit. Some mathematical algorithms.
Mit Algorithmen, ich habe keine Ahnung. Yeah. See the green side, the red side. I tried to do it a little bit harder when I switched the signs.
Did you?
Yeah.
I feel like you took off the stickers and re-put them back on.
I can get some red and blue color and we can paint it.
Alright. Well, you might...
Nelly. Yeah, he did it! Justin Bieber solved the magic cube.
Energy. Hit Music Only.
out and give them my all, and that's where I feel most comfortable.